Okay, another real talk here in Camden, New Jersey. We're gonna just be quiet and check the scenes out, and we'll see. The rain is dropping, and so is people. They drop down with the rain real quiet and shit. Watch. Come on, dripping. This motherfucker. You alright, man? You alright?
Yes.
Alright. You sure?
Yes. I lost myself.
Okay. I know, but get your stuff. Make sure nothing happens to it, okay? Alright? It's another real talk here in Camden. Y'all thought I was off the job, didn't you? I'm always on the job, nigga. You nod on me if you want to. Oh, here goes Scary Pete. He's wet. Long t-shirt, huh? Okay. Peace. We out.